Uh, this video is about ServoCity Linear Actuator for controlling. We are going to control it by a RC transmitter, WFly, and an FrSKY D8R2 Plus. So at the beginning, what we are going to do is we will bind the DA8R2 Plus and WFly, and then we will run a servo motor, and then we will discuss the next prospective options to control the actuator from a remote location according to the range of the FrSKY telemetry. So here it's the telemetry. We can see that it's the light is beeping. So at first what we do, we disconnect the power supply. At first we disconnect the power supply from FrSKY, and then it's now turned off. Here is a button, reset button. So we just put a pin to press it and hold, and now we will connect the power supply. And now we can see the green and red light are solid light, so that's ready for binding. And here we can see two switch. I put both of them turned off mode, but you can put number 1 in on and number 2 is off. It's I don't know exact the reason, but in both of them turned off mode worked okay for me. So yeah, now what I do, I will turn on the telemetry RC remote control and I'll press and hold this button. I'll press and hold this button, white button. So let's see. I'm pressing and holding the button, and I'm going to turn it on. Yeah. So as I left the button, it's also beeping, and as well as my telemetry receiver lights are also beeping. So at first I turn off the RC remote control, and then I turn off the telemetry power. Now when I reconnect the power source for both of them will be bound to each other. They will talk to each other. Yeah, they are right now. We can see they are solid, but they are in bound and they are in sync. Now here you can see the channel 1 I used for servo motor, and channel 7 you can use any one of the channel 7 I used for power input for the telemetry receiver. So channel 1 goes here is 3. I match the color. Red is for phase, green is for ground, and ash is for signal. And this 3 goes to all the way to the servo input. And then in the servo, here is the rotor, so I can add a blade to it. The blade we'll see here. Here are 3 blades, so we'll add one. Here I add one blade, and now we see that we'll test our telemetry is working or not. Here you see from telemetry, so that proves my telemetry is working. And now here we can see that this actuator is running through a LiPo battery. A LiPo battery is here, and here is the tuning place, tuning variable resistance for the actuator. The actuator is in full length. And now if we turn this tuner, that takes the actuator in. So here now my goal is, if I want to control this tuner through my servo, then I need a mechanical contact in this point. So this contact will control my actuator from this remote control RC. So thank you so much. This video is made to control this actuator from the remote control, and I hope it will be helpful for you. And for Jim, I will say that please take a look. Right now we need a mechanical contact for this rotor to this tuner. Okay, thank you so much.